Assalamu alaikum. This is Algebraic Topology lecture series. So today we will see some definitions related to homotopy. So let's read this paragraph. Now we consider the special case in which f is a path. Okay. So let's recall the definition of path in algebraic topology or topology. So path is a continuous function from I interval to x such that f of 0 is equal to x and f of 1 is equal to x prime, means there is a path from x to x prime. X is the image of f of 0 and f x prime is the image of f of 1. So this is the definition of path in topology. Okay. So we are talking about path, okay, continuous paths. So let's read again. Now we consider the special case in which f is a path in X. Recall that f is a path, f is a continuous map, okay, f is a continuous map such that from 0 to 1 close interval to X is a continuous map such that f of 0 is equal to x naught is initial point, f of 1 is equal and and f of 1 is equal to x1. This is the final point. We say that f is a path in x from x naught to x1 such that x naught is the initial point and x1 is final point or terminal point also of a path. In chapter we shall the convenience use interval I is equal to 0 to 1 as the domain for all paths. Okay, so let's define the definition. If f and f prime are two paths in x, there is a stronger relation between them than mere homotopy. It is defined as follows. Let's read the definition. Two paths f and f prime. Okay, there are two paths f and f prime mapping interval I 0, 1 and 2x are said to be path homotopic if they have a same initial point and same terminal point, and if there is a continuous map such that such that this condition holds, so we can say the path homotopic f and f prime are path homotopic. Okay, so let's explain this definition in detail. So let's say we have a two paths f from I to x and f prime also from I to x. Okay, such that f of 0 is equal to f prime of 0 and f of 1 is equal to f of prime of 1 according to the definition. Okay, f f and f prime are the maps, continuous paths from I to x. Okay, okay, I to x are said to be path homotopic. Okay, when they are path homotopic, if they have a same initial point and terminal point x1, means x naught is the initial point of f and terminal point of f is x1, and also x naught is the initial point of f prime and x1 is the terminal point of f prime. Okay, so they are saying if they have same initial point and terminal point and if there is a continuous map. Okay, what type of continuous map? F is a continuous map from I cross I to x such that f of s comma 0 is equal to f of s for all s belongs to I and f of s comma 1. Okay, and f of s comma 1 we get second path f prime x. Okay, s, and for all s belongs to I, and if we substitute if we substitute s is equal to 0, if we substitute s is equal to 0, f of 0 comma t, we get 0 x naught, and f of 0 1 comma t, okay, we get the terminal point x1, okay, which means that let's draw the diagram. So we will clear this. Let's remove the written material. So we will explain clearly. In this definition, they are saying f and f prime are the paths, okay, from I to x such that f of 0 and f of prime of 0 is equal to x naught, and f of 1 is equal to f prime of 1 is equal to x1, okay. They are saying f and f prime are the two paths from I to x are path homotopic if the initial and terminal points are same, and there exists a path homotopy, okay, there exists a continuous map which is path homotopy from I cross I to x, okay. And I cross I, what is I cross I? I cross I is a Cartesian product of 0 comma 1 interval close interval to 0 comma 1 close interval, which means that this is s from 0 to 1, and this is t, sorry, this is t from 0 to 1, okay. And they are saying if we change t from 0 to 1, which means that first of all we will change t, okay, means we are going to from bottom to top. So if we substitute t is equal to 0, f of s comma 0, we get f, okay. F, which means that this is the first path, okay, this is the first path. Let's write this f, okay. And if we substitute in the place of t is equal to 1, so we get the last part, last path, which is called f prime, okay. And if we change for all s belongs to I, okay, for all s belongs to I, means if we change s, so this make a path f, and if we change s from 0 to 1, so we get the path, another path. So if we change s from 0 to 1 and fix, so if we fix s, so let's fix s. If we substitute 0 in the place of s according to this f of 0 comma t, so we get this is x naught. X naught is the initial point of f and f prime, or all the paths between f to f prime. And if we substitute 1 in the place of s and t for all t belongs to I, so we get x1, which means that f is path homotopic to f prime if two conditions are held. First is the initial point and terminal point are same of f and f prime, and all the paths between from f to f prime, and there exists a continuous map. What type of continuous map? Such type of continuous map f, okay, f from I cross I to x, such that f of s comma 0, we get f of s comma 1, we get f prime of s, and if we substitute f of 0 comma t, and for all t belongs to I, we get x naught, and if we change s is equal to 1, so we get x1 for all t belongs to I. Okay, so this is path homotopy. The continuous map from I cross I to X is known as path homotopy. Okay, if there exists a path homotopy, so we can say F and F prime are the path homotopic. Okay, the two maps are path homotopics. So let's end this video. Allah Hafiz.